Hi, hi. Myself, Professor Jitendra Engle, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naugar, Bhayandar East. Our today's topic is speech writing. Students, in last lecture, we already discussed about the different kinds of speeches, such like welcome speech, farewell speech, introduction to the chief guest, and vote of thanks. Today, we will see the different kinds of examples of all types of speeches as we very well understood the speech writing. Okay. Learning outcomes. Student able to deliver prepared speeches to express idea, thoughts, emotions, etc. Student able to develop welcome speech on given themes and situation or in a program. Student able to develop farewell speech for given situation or event. Student able to formulate speeches for introducing to a chief guest in a given situation. Student able to develop vote of thanks for given situation. Student able to introduce oneself with correct pronunciation, intonation using verbal as well as non-verbal sign and signals or gestures. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after watching this video. So first of all, student, we will see the example of speeches. Okay. So example, draft a welcome speech for Dr. Patil, an industrialist from your region who is invited to your institute for talk expectation of industry from diploma holder. Means this is the welcome speech. Okay. So we will let us see how to write welcome speech. Good morning one and all. Welcome to guest lecture. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Avinash Patil, a well-known industrialist from Mumbai, for today's function. It is an honor and privilege for us to have you with us today. I also welcome the dignitaries on the dais, media representative, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here for guest lecture organized by Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. We are very fortunate that our eminent guest Mr. Patil is going to talk on expectation of industry from diploma holder or diploma students. Due to the globalization, expectation of industry from diploma holder has been changing very rapidly. Industry want industry want students who have practical knowledge of subject, substantial technical skills, soft skills, communication skills, etc. These are the demand from industry, from the diploma holder students or their worker or their servant or employee. Taking into an account the global scenario, we have organized this guest lecture for the students. Once again, I welcome all of you for this function. Thank you. So student, this is the welcome speech. In this welcome speech, first of all we welcome our honorable chief guest, then other dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, then we heartily welcome to our principal, our other dignitaries, etc., media representative, then teaching, non-teaching staff, and audience, etc. Also, we are mentioning there the reason or the purpose of that event also in welcome speech. In this way, we will prepare the welcome speech and finally conclude the welcome speech by thanking. Next example, a senior faculty of your department retiring from the job as an HOD, retiring from the job as an HOD, draft a welcome speech for draft a farewell speech for the faculty. Means a senior faculty from of your department is retiring from the job as a HOD, draft as a HOD of your department, draft a farewell speech for faculty. Means it is a farewell speech. One of the staff member is retiring from your department, and as head of the department you will prepare the farewell speech on that occasion. So let us see how to prepare the farewell speech. Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, or good afternoon one and all, etc. We start such way. Today we have gathered here for bidding farewell to Mr. Sharma of mechanical department. He has put total 22 years service as an assistant professor in mechanical department of our institute. He has worked with enthusiasm and devotion and contribution positively for the development of the department as well as the institute. He shared the good rapport with faculties as well as students. Today he retired after putting 22 years of dedicated service. I wish him good health, peace of mind, and lot of happiness in a year to come. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish Mr. Patil happy retired life. My May God bless you with good health and long life. Thank you. In this way, we prepared a farewell speech. Here, we are sharing some happiness or some sorrowful event in our life. Also, we are giving some best wishes to his future life. Okay, in this way we will prepare the farewell speech. Second, you are leaving your current organization. Draft a farewell speech on for this occasion. Means again it is also farewell speech. Means you own self retiring from your job or you own self change your job on that occasion. If your farewell ceremony is organized, so you yourself give the speech on that occasion. Good evening to everyone gathered here in the farewell party of mine. I would like to say big thanks to all of you for giving me the wonderful farewell party today. My dear colleagues, as well as we all my dear colleague, as we all know that nothing is touching too hard than leave the organization. I was so much valued by all of you here in my full term of office. I am leaving today this office, and most prominently all my nice colleagues, which very painful. I cannot express my sorrow of leaving to all of you. Also, you have made me so special and give me a peace in your heart. Really, I can never forget it. I have learned here a lot from my own mistake and develop a strong faith in myself. All the guidance I got here would be here with my life. Joining and leaving organization are the regular phenomenon of everyone's life. We must have to leave organization to go ahead for future progress. Again, the big thank of this company for this for everything. It has given me the wonderful farewell. Thank you everyone. In this way, we also prepared the farewell speech. The person who is himself retiring from his post, he sharing his some happy as well as some sorrowful feelings related to this organization. He expresses his experience who experience with the colleagues as well as the members. Also, some heart touching incident he also expresses here, and finally gives his best wishes to that organization in which he completed the 10-year, 20-year span as a successful professor, as a successful engineer, as a successful worker, and finally giving the best wishes of that particular organization and say thank you. In this way, we prepare the farewell speech. Next, as a HOD, draft a speech of farewell function of final year students. See, student, again the farewell speech. Here, the student who is completed their education means we give the farewell to last year students. Okay, every year the last year batch we give the farewell, and on that occasion, as a HOD of your department, you prepare a farewell speech. Good morning to the respected principal and all HODs, my colleagues and dear student. It is a very special day when we are giving farewell party to our third year student of mechanical engineering. Today, on 15th April, We have gathered here to huge number of bid farewell to our group young students. Dear student, you have invested 3 precious years of your life in this institute, which is so remarkable. I hope you will use your knowledge to contribute the nation. You will innovate something new in your field. Some students have to dream to become a successful businessman or successful person. If you are honest, you can become a successful in every or any field. The journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. You should try honestly. Success will follow you. You will, where there is a will, there is a way. You may face a lot of difficulties in your journey. You should not get frustrated. Move ahead with full of confidence and motivation. If your efforts are sincere, then the sky is the limit for you. Once again, I would like to give my best wishes to my students for their future life or prosperous life. Thank you. In this way, we are also preparing the farewell speech to the third year students or the students who complete their education to, and we institute give them the farewell. Next example, your department or institute has organized a guest lecture on Skill India. Introduce the speaker to the audience. So, it is a introduction to the chief guest. Your college organize a function or event regarding Skill India. On that occasion, on that event, your college invited a guest. So you have, or it is your prime responsibility to introduce your chief guest to other audience or others or audience. So let us see how to write introduction to the chief guest. A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. R.A. Mashalkar, for this function. Today we are fortunate enough that we have gotten opportunity to listen to Dr. Mashalkar. He is going to talk the Skill India mission. Dr. Mashalkar need no introduction. He is a very prominent, he is a very versatile person. He is a very well-known person and one of most distinguished scientists in India. He has completed BE in Chemical Engineering in 1966 from Pune University. Later on, he pursued his PhD in 1969 from Mumbai University. He is a National Researcher Professor and is also the President of Global Research Alliance. He served the Director General of Council of Science and Industrial Research CSIR for over 11 years. He has also served on Prime Minister Royal Society FRA London in 20 years 20th century. He is the guru of innovation and is currently the chairman of National Innovation Foundation. For this pioneer work, he has received 50 awards and medals, including this year Padma Vibhushan, the very famous, is a very remarkable or respected award which is given by Government of India. 31 Indian and international universities have honored him by giving the honorary doctorate degree to him. But more than these award and reward, he is extremely decent and nice human being who has helped large number of people from all walk and life. Sir, I request you to take over the proceeding. Thank you. In this way, we prepared a farewell speech. So, if any guest is come in our institute, first of all, we will introduce him to the other audience by his name, then his education, then his works, his achievements, awards, okay, presently what he is doing, etc. In this way, we are one by one explaining short but sweetly, okay, and introducing our chief guest to the audience, and finally request him to take a proceed and say thank you. Your institute has, or next example, your institute has organized an intercollegiate technical event. Give a vote of thanks on to all the concerned member. So vote of thank. Okay, we want to prepare a vote of thank on the occasion of intercollegiate technical event. So let us see how to prepare a vote of thank. Good morning, one and all. I am standing before you to propose my vote of thank. I thank the chief guest, Mr. H.S. Jadhav, from bottom of my heart for giving his valuable time for us and gracing the event by his presence. I would like to say my vote of thanks to our honorable founder president Mr. Rohitaji Patil for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I am also thankful to our principal Mr. R.B. Patil who motivating and support us for the success of this event. I express my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers who inspired us during the technical event. I thank to all of the organizer, event coordinator, technicians and my colleagues. Without their support, the event would not have been successful or complete. Thank you. In this way, we prepare a vote of thanks. After the end of every event, the event will not be fulfilled without vote of thanks. Okay, vote of thanks is the most important part in every event or every function. It also indicates the program is over. So student, I hope you all of us understood these examples and also these speeches such like welcome speech, farewell speech, vote of thanks, introduction, chief guest, and you also know how to write the speeches. If so, thank you and best of luck. Okay, thank you.